How to reset Instagram search suggestions. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Instagram search suggestions. So if your Explore page or search bar is filled with content you don't like, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright? Let's dive in. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap the search icon at the bottom. That's the little magnifying glass. At the top, you'll see your recent searches. Tap on the search bar, and then tap the X next to each search you want to remove. Or tap on See All, then clear all to remove all search. This will clear your search history and help Instagram stop suggesting similar content. Now we need to fix your Explore page suggestions. Go to your Explore tab and scroll through the posts. If you see something you don't like, tap and hold on the post, then select Not Interested. That tells Instagram to stop showing you that kind of content. If you come across something you do enjoy, tap and hold again, but this time hit Like. Doing this trains Instagram's algorithm to better understand your preferences. And over time, your feed will improve. And that's it. While there's no official reset button, this is the best way to clear and get your Instagram feed back on track.